Hey, hello. How are you doing, man? So today I'm gonna share with you how we can track this button. Without further delay, let's get started. To track this button, at first we need to connect Google Tag Manager with my website. So I already connected this Tag Manager with my website. After connected my website, I have to enable some built-in variables. Configure, then we can see here some built-in variables under the click, so we can enable this all. Okay, then close, then we can click on preview. So there is two way to set up this tag. So we want to set up this tag through click classes. So we can find this button classes in two way. First is click on the mouse right button, then inspect, then we can see here the class. Okay, the class, under the class we can see a code, so we can copy it. Okay, so we already connected our tag manager to our website. We can click on this button, then we can go here, then variables, then click classes. We can see here the same classes what we have seen in this inspect option. So this is the easiest method. Now through enable some built-in variables like this on, we can easily find out click class. Okay, so now we can go our tag manager, then tags, Google Analytics, event. Okay, measurement ID. Okay, so event name. Okay, so trigger just links, because of it is a link button. Okay, so we have to select just link. Okay, so some clicks, then click classes, then equals, then we have to paste this code. Okay, over here. So then save. Okay, then save, then click on preview. It's already connected, so we can delete everything. This is our button. When someone comes to our site and click on this button, we want to fire a tag, and after that when we collect more data, then we can retarget them, analyze them. Okay, so click on here. Okay. It was a link click. The link click number is 1, so we can see that the contact link tag is fired. We can check it through Google Analytics debug view. Okay, our contact click has been fired. Okay, on contact click we can again click on this button, contact. We already made it click, then again, sorry, it is reloading, in contact. Okay, link click. Okay, the link click is tag is fired. Again go on analytics debug view, then we can see here contact click again fired. We the two times, one times is it and then other is it. So I hope it is clear to you how we can track a button. We can easily track any button with this button class or IDs. So that's for all today. Have a nice day. Thank you.